Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Ali Raj's Bagan, Bari, UK. I am your host Akib Ullah, and today we have another exciting video. I'm sitting under my pavilion, but as you can see it's raining outside. But I'm happy because I don't have to water the garden. As you know, I love gardening and I love cooking, but I'm going to be giving all of that a break. I'm going to be taking a day out with my family to the amazing Holland Park in London, and I'm going to be giving my mum a break. We're going to be eating out in Marouche. It's a Lebanese restaurant in London and is very famous as well. Holland Park has so many types of gardens. There's also a garden, a Japanese garden, and in that Japanese garden there's a pond full of Japanese koi carps. And there's a fountain as well, and there's also an action-packed adventure park for the children, so please watch till the end because it's going to be a very big adventure. I would like to thank all of you for getting me to 1200 subscribers. It's been growing so quickly. I love you guys so much and I couldn't do this without your support. Before we get into the video, there's an overgrown hodu that we have to cut, so let's get into it. Guys, this hodu is so big, I don't know how to cut this, and there's hairline in the way as well. It's so hard to cut. Guys, one big kudu. Oh no. Guys, look. It's so big. It's almost bigger than me. Guys, have you seen such a big kudu like this in London before? Now we cut the kudu, let's get on to our adventure. In Holland Park, they have many types of gardens. Right now we're in the Japanese garden. There's a pond behind me and it's full of Japanese koi carp. Guys, look at these amazing fishes. I had a really fun time with my family and in Holland Park. I just went on the big swing and my dad's going to put it on my channel, so stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed my videos, make sure you like, subscribe and hit the notification for more future videos, because it doesn't cost you anything, it just helps my channel grow bigger.